Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 3rd August 2021. So, the two topics that were given in our editorial page are the cusp and being Bombay. Okay, we'll discuss the first topic from our editorial page in our today's video. So, before getting into that, let's have a small look on the second topic given, being Bombay. The new chief minister will have to strike a balance between conflicting interests. Means the new chief minister, he has to maintain a balance or has to maintain a strategy that is between all the interest rates. Okay, according to all the conflict interests. The new Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai, has to reconcile several conflicting factors while appointing his Council of Ministers. Okay, means the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai. So he has to go on to the several factors that were being a point raised in his council of all the ministers. Okay, the predecessor B.S. Yediyurappa has ejected by the Bharatiya Janata Party High Command that wants a Yediyurappa was and has to new start in the state. The new chief minister is seen as aligned to Mr. Yediyurappa and both belong to the Lingayat community that is strong numerically and economically. Okay, means B.S. Yediyurappa. He was rejected from the Bharatiya Janata Party High Command, so that means he wants a new start in the state. Okay, and now the chief minister of Karnataka present, Basavaraj Bommai. So he has aligned to B.S. Yediyurappa, so that and to make both of them to be in a legal and in a strong community and like economically in a legal way, in a strong. Mr. Yediyurappa's heyday might be behind him, but he continues to hold significant sway among voters. Given the circumstance, the challenge before Mr. Bommai is to strike a balance between the imperatives of change and continuity. Okay, means the circumstances. Okay, the circumstances that were around, means like now Mr. Yediyurappa, he was being behind him always, and he always continued to make the significant way for all the voters. And so coming to the circumstances and the challenges that were before Mr. Bommai, and he has to go for a strike so that it balances all the both changes and all the continuity that takes in the parties or in the economic. Mr. Yediyurappa had little moral scruples in pursuing political power, and the Bharatiya Janata Party rode on his shoulders until recently. Okay, means he has a very little knowledge about all the political powers and so though he had a very low and very little, the Bharatiya Janata Party was being on his shoulders until now. So he has maintained all the scruples on his shoulders and he was moving on. Well, let's get into our today's topic, that is the cusp. Well, what's meant by cusp? Okay, cusp, it means, cusp, it means edge, like border or edge, and position of transition between states. Position of transition between states, or edge or border. Okay, it means the cusp. Okay, means the edge. India must press ahead with vaccination to avoid repeat of troubles of the second wave. Means, okay, let's see the first. August has begun on a disconcerting note in India's coronavirus story. The 7-day weekly average of cases hovers around the psychologically important 40,000 mark, and there is an uptick in daily new cases with the latest numbers a little over 41,000. A major concern that has assumed national proportions is the trajectory of cases in Kerala. With nearly 20,000 fresh cases being added every day, it is of concern that if a state with an admirable track record during the earlier wave is under siege now, then many other states could be particularly vulnerable against new variants at the start of a third wave. In Kerala, the rise in cases is concomitant with a rise in testing that has increased from 130,000 a day on July 25th to 162,000 as of Monday, means yesterday, indicating that the infection may be rapidly spreading. Well, let's have a look at the meanings. Okay. Well, see, disconcerting. Disconcerting means unsettling, unnerving, or disturbing. Disconcerting means unsettling, unnerving, or disturbing. And hovers, hang, float, flutter. Hovers means hang, float, or flutter. Trajectory, course, route, or path. Trajectory means course, route, or path. Siege, blockage, restriction, or clog. Siege means blockage, restriction, or clog. Well, and concomitant, it means belonging, associated, or connected. Concomitant means belonging, associated, or connected. Okay, well, let's get back to our topic. So, nearly these many cases were raised from July 25th to yesterday, that is August 2nd. See a drastic change. 32,000 more cases were added. Nearly 11 states are now showing a weekly increase in cases. Kerala is not the only point of concern. The national situation has prompted the health secretary to write to states that all districts reporting a positivity rate of more than 10% in the last few weeks ought to consider strict restrictions to curtail the movement of people and formation of crowds to prevent the spread of infection. Apart from Kerala, these include Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Assam, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, and Manipur. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has also expressed concern that 46 districts are showing more than 10% positivity, while another 53 districts are showing a positivity between 5 to 10%. Okay, so well, this is our today's topic on editorial page, that is the cusp. Thank you.